turn, George. Big smile on take. Big smile on take. Attack, take with a cry.
Take me into your loving arms.
Ah, perfect. Next line.
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Big smile on under. Push away like and smile on thousand.
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
I need more smile on light and more smile on thousand. Go for it, George. Do that again.
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Good. That was pretty good. 1,000. We've got to get that 1,000 quicker. So it's kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Really push that up there like that. Your turn.
Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Better. Did you hear the difference?
Yeah.
Excellent. Good. That was perfect. Do that one more time for me, George. Really smile and push that 1,000 away.
Yep. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Beautiful. Make sure you keep your sob going through. I know Ed's belting. Keep your sob going through, so we're working on that technique. You sound great up here, George. Good. Let's do the next one. We're going to smile on head. We're going to smile on heart. We're going to smile on out.
Yep. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud.
Your turn. Big cries on head and heart, George. Go for it, man. Gear 2 3/4.
Place your hand on my beating heart.
Beautiful. I want more cry on heart. Don't let it drop off. Heart. Sustain up there. Heart. Your turn.
Place your hand on my beating heart.
George, you haven't got enough smile on there. I can't really see your face that well because I'm looking up your nostrils, but we need like this. Heart. Big smiles on that. Big up. Raise the cheeks up.
Is that better? Can you see me now?
Yep.
Probably.
Yep.
Place your hand on my beating heart.
Yeah, we're still going. Heart. We're still sliding. I need that movement. Heart. I need it elevated. I need it not deflated. Heart. Your turn.
Place your hand on my beating heart.
That's better. Don't let it drop off though, George. Sing. I'm thinking out.
I'm thinking out.
Do the whole thing. I'm thinking out loud.
I'm thinking out loud.
What? Don't drop it off. I'm thinking out loud. Push that loud up.
I'm thinking out loud.
Better. Did you hear what you did on that owl then?
Yeah, I looped it up a bit. So
Yeah. Beautiful. Good.
So
That's 1 3/4. Yeah, you're gonna ask a question.
no, I was gonna say, so when it's like place your head in my beating heart, it should go like that as well. So place your head on my beating heart.
That's it. But you'll scoop up to the last note, George. You're scooping down and then up. You're doing this. Heart. That's what you're doing. You're gonna go heart straight to it.
Heart.
Still scooping. You're going heart. Hear me. Heart. Straight to that last note, George. Don't scoop to it. Jump to it.
Heart.
That's better. Did you hear the difference?
Yeah, so it
You're going to hear it in the recording. You're going to hear it in the recording where you scoop up to it. You slide up to it like you're in a band called Oasis.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want to scoop up like that. Okay, we want to make sure we hit those notes like you did then. Let's do it one more time. Hear me. Heart. Your turn.
Heart.
Nice, nice, good. Does that take care of that question?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Let's do this last line. It's pretty mellow, this last line here, man.
Maybe we found love right where we are.
Now, just because it comes down in volume a little bit down to 1, 2 1/4, doesn't mean you drop the cries down. You still got to push we found where, okay, away a little bit with the melody. This melody is very, very important. You hear how rhythmic he's hitting this, and nearly to the rhythm that's being played by the drums.
Yeah. Maybe we. Oh, sorry. Maybe we found love right where we are.
Got to cry on we. You got to flick we away firmer.
Yep.
And where. So it's maybe we found love right where we are. Now, right, George, right would be gear 1.5.
Yeah.
Where, jumping up to 2.
Yep.
And then smiling on about the same as well too with the cry. But you got to have a huge smile on we. You got to flick we away. Don't sing it, flick it. Maybe we found love right where we are. Your turn.
Maybe we found love right where we are.
Better. Nailed it. Do that again, man.
Maybe we found love right where we are.
Perfect. Excellent. Great crying through that chorus, man. That chorus isn't easy, man. Ed Sheeran struggles with it when he sings it live, man. You Google him singing it live, man. He does this song like a tone and a half lower. All of his live recordings are really low of this, man. So that's great work because this is the top of his range. You can hear his voice is like belting to get this here. So excellent. Mate, what we'll do, let's take it back to the top. Let's run all the way through the song, man. Apply all the skills from the very top of the song.